like to say thank you to all of the volunteers for Gig Buddies for what they are doing to us.
Hi, just a big thank you to all the volunteers. See you all soon, hopefully.
Thank you all the Gig Buddies, and especially thank you to Mark, my favourite Gig Buddy in all the wide world, and all the volunteers who have helped out, and just big thank you to Rachel for getting my Gig Buddy Mark, and Heather as well. She's the best, and everybody who knows me. Just want to say thank you, and you're all so special to me, and I just want to say a big thank you for all the things you do, and just thank you. Okay, and see you soon. Bye.
Hi, I just want to say thank you to all the volunteers who helped out and making the days and go with everyone out, enjoying with us. It's been nice to have them included. It's nice to include other people. Hopefully you'll have a good time. Hopefully you enjoy more of the volunteering. Gig Buddy mean to me everything. Without Gig Buddy, I wouldn't go to concert with my friends and all the volunteering people, the meeting. Yeah, it's been amazing. Thank you so much.
Hello all, my name's Dan. I'm a Gig Buddy participant of North Wales on Anglesey. Been here ever since it started, and I now have a Gig Buddy called Dave Heaton, who is an amazing guy. He's so enthusiastic, he knows what he's doing, and he's great at finding out gigs and things. I myself am visually impaired and autistic, and without Dave's help I would not really go out in the evenings much. I went to my first ever Manic Street Preachers gig not so long ago, and it was amazing to be out in the evening, to feel relaxed and comfortable. Gig Buddies has been a lifeline to me after a really bad start to my life in the years, and to be able to go out in the evening with confidence and feel safe and not vulnerable is amazing. So Gig Buddies is brilliant at supporting adults in this adventure, something that has never been done before well. So I'm thankful that I've got a Gig Buddy provided by Gig Buddies North Wales Learning Disability, and I'm thankful and hopeful for all the stuff we're going to do in the future. Me and Dave are the most amazing pairing into the same sort of music, and I can't wait to see where we go next in our gig adventure. And a big up to Rachel Somerville, who leads our North Wales team. She is amazing. Gig Buddies rules.
Hello everyone. Happy Volunteers Week, and enjoy, and this is a moment of celebration. Thank you to everyone who's been doing an amazing job. To the staff, NSS workers and stuff like that. So, thank you for that. And thank you so much all the volunteers to do all this. And yeah, it's been an amazing job and good stuff. Thank you so much for it, and to the staff and people who volunteered all over Gwynedd and across the country. Plus, I am volunteering as well. And yeah, enjoy the celebrations, and Happy Volunteers Week!